Hi, today we are going to be talking more about exponents. Go ahead and take out your pre-algebra notes packet and we'll get started. So today our topic is power to power exponents. So this is what happens when we have a power and we're raising it to a power. And the steps today are just to expand completely, then simplify. So let's say we have 2 to the third power to the second power. So because the 2 to the third power is in parentheses, this whole parentheses is the base of the exponent 2, which means everything in parentheses is being multiplied this many times. So we first need to expand, and so we have 2 to the third power 2 times. So 2 to the third power times 2 to the third power. And then we need to expand again because that's not expanded completely. So that's 2 times 2 times 2 because 2 multiplied 3 times 2 multiplied 3 times again. Once you expand it the first time, then it's just what we did for multiplying exponents. So it's exactly what you've been doing. And then we're going to simplify. So 2 is being multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So this is 2 to the 6th power. Let's do another one. What if we have 4 to the 2nd power raised to the 4th power? So again, everything in parentheses belongs to this exponent 4. So everything's getting multiplied 4 times. So that gives us 4 to the 2nd power times 4 to the 2nd power times 4 to the 2nd power times 4 to the 2nd power. All of this multiplied 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Then we need to expand again. And so 4 squared, that's 4 multiplied 2 times, times 4 multiplied 2 times, times 4 multiplied 2 times, times 4 multiplied 2 times. And so we simplify, and that is 4 multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So for this one, I'm sure you guys see the shortcut. What you can do is if you have a power to a power, you can multiply the exponents. The problem with all of these rules is we tend to forget rules. So that's why I'm teaching you how to understand it so that when we put all this together here soon, you're not going to get confused. Do I add? Do I subtract? Do I multiply? But for this one, I will go talk about the shortcut. Is you just multiply the exponents, because on your assignment you will have some big numbers. So like if you have 6 to the 3rd power raised to the 4th power, you really can just multiply 6 and then the exponents. So 3 times 4, and you would get 6 to the 12th power. Okay, let's go ahead and look at your assignment for power to power exponents in your pre-algebra A workbook. And so here is the power to power exponents assignment. And so we have 2 to the 3rd power to the 4th power. Remember, our steps are we are just going to expand and simplify. So we have 2 to the third to the fourth power, so that's 2 to the third 4 times. And rather than writing 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times, let's just use our little shortcut that we talked about. So that's 2, and then we have the power of 3 times the power of 4, which is 2 to the 12th power. So I'd like to see this for all of your assignments on this, or for all of the problems on this assignment, and go ahead and get to work.